Originally from India, yoga has taken the world by storm and with good reason. Not only does it tone your body, but it also healing for the soul. What's not to love? What's your experience with yoga? Do you envy your friends who have already perfected their crows, dogs, and cobras? Or are you a real veteran, feeling like taking the step towards become a yoga teacher? No matter how much yoga experience you have, our list of the coolest place to do yoga will have you grabbing your passport and your yoga mat to become the ultimate yoga guru. Number 1, Rishikesh, India. We can't start the list without naming Rishikesh. It is birthplace of yoga. Rishikesh is considered the yoga capital of the world and has undoubtedly brought life-changing experiences and spiritual experiences to countless travelers. The city is located at the foot of the Himalayas in the northern Indian state of Uttarakhand on the banks of Ganges. In the town, yoga is regarded as sacred. Spirituality and global harmony are respected on all levels. Because of this, almost all restaurants here offer only vegetarian food. The path to enlightenment, or at least extra dose of mindfulness, is guaranteed here. Because yoga schools, ashrams, and meditation centers are abundant, you can immerse yourself in many different types of yoga. For example, Ashtanga, Hatha, or Vinayasa, or even become a yoga teacher. Rishikesh also caters to adventurous travelers. Because of its location, you can combine your spiritual experiences with rafting, kayaking, bungee jumping, mountain biking, rock climbing, and many more. Number 2, Goa, India. Fancy paradise beaches, palm trees, and yoga. Then head straight to Goa. Also located in India, Goa was a Portuguese colony for 450 years until 1961, creating a fascinating mix of East and West. Many travelers love Goa as it offers a gentle entry into Indian culture. You can feel the Portuguese influence in the intricate architecture all over the region. Goa is mostly known for its beaches and exotic flora and fauna. But since the 1960s booming hippie cultures, it turned it into a mecca for yogis of all levels and all budgets. So, if you want to perfect your yoga skills under the mother nature, Goa is the perfect place for you. Most yoga schools are open during the peak season from October to May, especially in northern Goa. You can also find some of the world's best yoga teachers here to help you on the path of enlightenment. And best of all, Goa is the dream come true destination for budget travelers because you can find great hostels and yoga schools at bargain prices. Number 3, Bali, Indonesia. Bali is an island that belongs to Indonesia and another place that's bursting with spirituality. That's why it's nicknamed Island of the Gods. Although yoga was not traditionally part of Balinese culture but made its way to mix with it. The city Ubud feels particularly magical even though tourism has been booming for years. Maybe it's because of the many fascinating Hindu ceremonies that the locals celebrate here, or the aromatic scents of the plants and incense sticks that cloud the atmosphere, or the breathtaking natural surroundings of waterfalls, rice fields, and volcanoes. Regardless, you and your yoga mat will find a home in Bali at many yoga studios and schools. No matter how well you master your downward facing dog, the Yoga Barn and Radiantly Alive in Ubud are just two super examples. Some hostels even offer yoga classes such as Hideout Hostel in Kangu or Puri Garden in Ubud. Number 4, Sri Lanka. Thanks to its geographical and cultural proximity to India, yoga has also had a long-standing tradition in Sri Lanka. This idyllic island opened for tourism after the end of Civil War in 2009, which of course means that yoga retreats have only appeared in recent years. Travelers to Sri Lanka will be spoiled for choice with multi-day workshops, retreats and drop-in classes at various hostels, including Hangover Hostel Mirisa, Mr. Hostel Mirisa and Poho Hostel. Most of the hostels are located on the south coast where you can go surfing after the yoga class, so a six-pack body is virtually guaranteed. In Sri Lanka, you should also try an Ayurveda treatment which relaxes your body and mind to achieve the complete harmony, the perfect complete to yoga. Total chilled achieved, guaranteed. Number 5. Mallorca, Spain. Since the yoga buzz has split over from Asia to Europe, you can find stunning locations in Europe to practice or even to complete your yoga teacher training. One of them is Spanish island of Mallorca, where numerous retreats have popped up in recent years. With a relaxed atmosphere, the blue Mediterranean Sea, and a breathtaking landscape of olive groves and mountains. For me, it sounds like a perfect setting for an unforgettable yoga stay. Increasing its coolness factor, you can also try a special kind of yoga here. It's called stand-up paddle yoga, which is prominent in the village of Solar. If that's too daring, Nirodha Yoga also offers courses on solid ground, where you can even take a free trial lesson. And if you have already perfected your asana poses and now want to spread your knowledge, then Vinayasa Flow or Earth Yoga are great schools to complete your yoga teacher training. Number 6 is Tulum, Mexico. Tulum is another tropical paradise that's grown in popularity over recent years for its stunning beaches and relaxed atmosphere. The town is located on the east coast of Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico and has always been a place that magically draws it hippies and laid-back travelers. Unlike other places on the Mexican Caribbean coast, great emphasis is placed on environmental awareness and sustainability. Tulum's relaxed vibes make it the perfect place to immerse yourself in the world of yoga. Probably the best hostel you can stay as a yoga freak in Tulum is the Beehive Experience, which offers Ashtanga, Hatha and other different forms of yoga on site. There are also yoga schools such as Sanara Studio, which is located directly by the sea, so you can feel the salt water in your hair and the sand on your skin. But if you have already enough experience and want to share your yoga wisdom, then visit Yoga Dicha, which offers teachers training. You can also combine your yoga stay with beach time as well as history and culture because the city is close to numerous ancient Mayan ruins. This is without a doubt makes Tulum one of the coolest places to do yoga in the world.